Hi everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. Here is an important notification from ONGC. So you all know about ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited. This is a Maharatna company. Okay, so this ONGC is recruiting engineering graduates. So here you can see the URL ongcindia.com/web/eng/career/recruitment notice. So if you go to this URL, here you can observe recruitment notice 2025, recruitment in engineering and geoscience discipline at E1 level through computer based test. Okay, advertisement number 1/2025. So try to remember this advertisement number because for future correspondence you have to use this number only, right? So the notification was released on 10th January 2025, dear students. So if you click on this recruitment notification, so the link will open like this. So recruitment in engineering and geoscience disciplines at E1 level through computer based test. Advertisement number 1/2025, and here you can observe registration link is there. Then detailed advertisement and syllabus for this computer based test is also given. Then medical fitness requirement, OBC certificate format, SC/ST certificate format, EWS certificate format and PWBD certificate format. Every format is given clearly here, dear students. So in case of any difficulty, please register your query at https://cgrs.ibps.in. So this notification registration is through IBPS portal. So once you click on the registration link will open like this. So here you can see ibpsonline.ibps.in/ONGC-DEC24/. So this is the URL, and here you can see the important events or the dates. Okay, commencement of online registration of application 10th January 2025 and closure of registration of application. So the deadline is 24th January 2025 and closure for editing application details is also on 24th January 2025 and last date for printing your application is 8th February 2025 and online fee payment is in between 10th January 2025 to 24th January 2025. Okay, so try to go through all these dates properly, dear students, and here you can observe the registration related link. Okay, so if you click here, you can go for new registration page. So let us see by clicking here. So once you click on new registration page, you can see basic information, photo and signature is there, details, preview and uploads, right? So after that, the payment option is there. There are 6 pages, dear students. So first you have to fill each and every page, photo and signature related data also you need to check carefully because what is the size of photograph, what is the signature, how many pixels size, everything you have to check here. Then first name, confirm first name, middle name, confirm middle name, last name, confirm last name, and then full name will be displayed. Mobile number, and you have to confirm the mobile number. If there is any alternative mobile number, you have to give that. Then email ID, and here domain names are there. So you have to click on the domain names. So which domain is your email ID that you have to give, and then you have to confirm the email ID, and there will be a CAPTCHA or security code which you have to enter, and then go for save and next. Okay, so this is the first page, dear students. Then you will have photo and signature, then the details, maybe personal details they will be asking, and address also details you have to put. Then preview will be there, then uploads. If there are any certificates you have to upload, so those certificates you have to upload. Already I have shown you where are those certificates formats. So you can see medical fitness requirement, OBC certificate format, SC/ST certificate format, EWS certificate format and PWBD certificate format. So you can click on the respective format which you require and fill the details, and then you have to go for uploading with a proper signature. Then coming to the advertisement. So if you click on the advertisement, you can see the advertisement, recruitment in engineering and geoscience discipline at E1 level through computer based test. Advertisement number is 1/2025 And as I told you, ONGC is a Maharatna company, and the major important thing, the pay scales, emoluments and other financial benefits. So you can see the pay scale is in between 60,000 to 1,80,000. This is the basic pay scale that was given here. And the post level is E1, dear students. Kindly go through that. Then coming to the qualification, essential qualification. So at the beginning, geoscience related disciplines were given. Now let us go for the engineering related disciplines. So that is given under B here. So B engineering is there. Now you can observe AW production mechanical is there. So graduate degree in mechanical engineering with minimum 60% marks. So with minimum 60% marks, so mechanical engineering, so total 11 posts are there here. AW production petroleum, so petroleum engineering is required with 60% marks. Then number of posts are 19. Then AW production chemical, so graduate degree in chemical engineering with 60% marks and 23 posts are there. Again AW drilling mechanical, okay, mechanical engineering is required with 60% of marks minimum, and there are 23 posts, dear students. Okay, now AW drilling petroleum, okay, and here for all the posts 60% minimum marks they are asking. Number of posts are 6 here. AW mechanical, then 6 posts are there. Almost 40 posts are there for mechanical engineering. So you can see here AW electrical engineering. So for electrical engineering also minimum 60% marks is there. So electrical engineering discipline is required, 10 posts are available. So a total of 108 posts are there under this particular notification, right? So kindly go through these things carefully, right? Now coming to the age limit. So here age limit for unreserved EWS categories 26 years, OBC 29 years. So maximum age, this is for engineering category, and here you can see for geologist, geophysicist, okay, and 27 years for them. Then OBC NCL non-creamy layer 29 years for engineering post, 30 years for this geology related posts. Then SC ST 31 years, PWBD general EWS 36 years, OBC 39 years, SC ST 41 years, ex-servicemen 31 years for all the categories here. Okay, now so in these points it was mentioned that you have to submit required documentation for availing these reservation categories, dear students. Kindly go through these points very carefully while you are uploading or filling the application form. Now coming to the selection procedure, this is very important because a computer based test is being conducted. So here let us see about the details. Eligible candidates will be required to appear a computer based test which is objective type, comprising of 4 sections. 4 sections are there. First one, general awareness, concerned subject, English language and an aptitude test for a total duration of 2 hours. So total duration is 2 hours. CBT score will be considered by ONGC for shortlisting the candidates in 1:5 ratio for further selection process of personal interview. So followed by this computer based test, there is a personal interview also. For selecting the candidates for this personal interview, 1:5 ratio will be considered based on the CBT score, right? Then while shortlisting in the ratio of 1:5 in the respective categories, in case multiple candidates secure minimum cutoff marks, all of them will also be shortlisted in relaxation of the specified ratio. Then the shortlisted candidates will be subjected to a group discussion. The final selection of the candidate will be based on the parameters of CBT score and performance in the personal interview. Okay, following weightages shall be assigned to the parameters. So CBT score 85 marks will be there. Then interview 15 marks. Total of 100 marks will be considered for this particular selection procedure, right? So in order to be empaneled, candidates are required to qualify in the CBT and thereafter again in the personal interview separately, in addition to fulfilling qualification criteria. So to qualify in the CBT, general EWS OBC candidates are required to score a minimum of 45% marks. So minimum 45% marks for general EWS and OBC category. SC, ST, PWBD candidates are required to score a minimum of 40% marks. To qualify in the interview, general EWS and OBC candidates are required to score 60% marks, that is 9 marks out of 15, and SC, ST, PWBD candidates are required to score a minimum of 40% marks, that is 6 marks out of 15 marks in the interview, right? Then coming to the finalization of merit list. So here you can see candidates who qualify in the interview shall be empaneled in the merit list. Offer of appointment shall be issued to the candidates based on their relative rank in the merit list prepared on the sum total of marks scored by the candidates in CBT and interview. In case of tie in the total marks scored between two candidates, candidate who gets more marks in performance CBT score is considered senior, and if equals are scored in performance, the one older in age is considered senior for release of the name. Then departmental candidates shall be given first consideration in matters of selection. Appointment of selected candidates will be subjected to their passing the company's medical examination. So medical examination, medical fitness is also there, dear students, kindly go through that. And for details of the rules of medical examination, they are available on ONGC website. So already I have shown you here medical fitness requirement is there. So kindly go through this medical fitness requirement in the recruitment notification link which I have shown earlier, right? Now coming to the computer based test, how many number of questions will be there? So you can see concerned domain or subject, mechanical, chemical, petroleum, electrical, geology, geophysics and physics, 40 questions will be there, and general awareness 10 questions will be there. Then coming to the aptitude test. Aptitude test 25 questions will be there, English language 10 questions will be there, total 85 questions will be there, and each one will carry 1 mark and 2 hours duration will be there. Okay. However, PWBD candidates may get a provision of compensatory time of 20 minutes per hour. Okay, that also is mentioned here. And very important thing which was mentioned is there will be no negative marking in this CBT test. Okay, so in case the exam is held in more than one session, the scores across various sessions will be equated or normalized to adjust for slight differences in difficulty level of the sessions. Okay, in such case normalized marks shall be used for all the practical purposes, and the test centers related information is also given, dear students. So kindly go through these test centers here. Then how to apply? So as I have told you, the application has started from 10th January 2025 and the last date is 24th January 2025. Candidates can apply only for one post for which he is most desirous based on his her qualification. Okay, if there is no vacancy in a post for reserved category, candidates belonging to reserved category can still apply for unreserved posts. So before registering, submitting their online applications on the website, the candidate should keep the following things ready. Okay, as I told you, the important documents and all, so you can see here, so there is some important considerations which you have to give. Mobile number and email ID in which the OTP will be sent for completing the registration process. Okay, so then scanned copy of recent passport size color photograph of the candidate with white background. Okay, in JPEG format or JPG format, 20 KB to 50 KB only. Then scanned copy of signature of the candidate in JPG or JPEG format, 10 KB to 20 KB only, and class 10th certificate for verification of date of birth, degree certificate for essential qualification, consolidated mark sheet or transcript of essential qualification for all semesters or years, photo identity proof like Aadhaar card, passport, driving license, voter ID card and PAN card. The above documents are required to be uploaded in PDF format, not more than 500 KB for each file. Okay, so these are the essential documents, dear students. So kindly go through that. All correspondence with the registered candidates shall be done through registered email ID and or mobile phone only. The candidates are required to keep the registered email and mobile phone active for at least 1 year from the date of registration, right? So all information regarding examination, interviews, etc. shall be available on the website of ONGC. So you can see here, candidate can download examination call letter from the website. Okay. No separate admit card or interview call letters shall be sent to the candidates by post. ONGC will not be responsible for any loss of email or SMS sent due to invalid or wrong email ID, mobile phone number, or delivery of emails to spam and bulk mail folder. Okay, so try to go through this. And coming to the registration fee, general, EWS and OBC 1000 rupees, and SC, ST, PWBD candidates, there are no charges to apply, dear students, right? So the registration fee excludes the convenience fee or bank's commission plus GST. So registration fee is non-refundable. So all this information he has given. And again, important dates. The tentative date of CBT is also given here. Start date of online registration 10th January 2025. Last date is 24th January 2025 and CBT exam tentative date is 23rd February 2025. Okay, so kindly go through all these instructions carefully, dear students, before applying for this ONGC recruitment. Okay, then coming to the list of papers and the syllabus. So here the syllabus is also very important because there is a computer based test. Mechanical engineering, AW drilling mechanical, AW production mechanical, AW mechanical. For all the 3 posts, you have syllabus in page numbers 2 and 3. Then petroleum engineering, AW drilling petroleum, AW production petroleum, page number 4 and 5 syllabus is there. Then chemical engineering, AW production chemical, page number 6 and 7, electrical engineering, AW electrical, page numbers 8 and 9. Okay, now let us see the syllabus. So coming to the mechanical engineering syllabus, engineering mathematics is there. So engineering mathematics is there. Then applied mechanics and design. So here you have engineering mechanics, mechanics of materials, theory of machines, vibrations and machine design. Then fluid mechanics and thermal sciences is there. So fluid mechanics, heat transfer and thermodynamics and its applications come under this part, right? Turbo machinery part is also there. Then materials, manufacturing and industrial engineering. So engineering materials, machining and machining tool operations, metrology and inspection, computer integrated manufacturing, production planning and control, and inventory control. See, up to here, almost the syllabus is like GATE syllabus. Okay, additionally, there is some part which you people have to learn, that is application in oil and gas business, right? So this part is a newer part. So operation and maintenance of surface facilities, right? Separator, heater, treater, crude stabilization, storage tank, static equipment, compressor and pumps, etc. Operation of group gathering stations, excuse me, offshore platforms, artificial lift technology, then processing and recovery of value added products like LNG, naphtha, C2, C3, etc., gas sweetening operations, then gas dehydration operations, etc., work over rig operations, then project management related topics. All these things are included in this application in oil and gas business. This is the additional syllabus apart from GATE examination. Now, this is for mechanical engineering students. Now, let us go for petroleum engineering. So, their petroleum engineering syllabus, along with that application in oil and gas business is there. Okay, then coming to electrical engineering syllabus. So chemical engineering syllabus also almost GATE syllabus is there, and additionally application in oil and gas business topic is there, right? So you need to focus on that. Electrical engineering, engineering mathematics is there, electrical circuits, electromagnetic fields, signals and systems, electrical machines, power systems, Then control system subject is there, electrical and electronic measurements, analog and digital circuits, and power electronics topic is there. Okay, so these are the syllabuses related to engineering, dear students. So kindly go through the syllabus and prepare for this examination. Aptitude is there, English is there, then relevant discipline technical questions are also being asked. Okay, so kindly go through the entire syllabus and remember that 24th January 2025 is the last date to apply. Okay, don't wait till the last date, dear students. If you are eligible to apply, apply from now itself. Okay, thank you, all the very best.